In 3, 2, 1, go.
What am I saying?
I can't really describe the place. That's the thing. I was just like, you can't describe Bhutan. You have to experience it.
Yep, fireworks here.
My motorcycle.
How do you guys feel?
We're loving it. Oh, you're videoing?
Yeah.
Don't video.
What in a mood.
The trip's been wonderful so far. It's been great to get away with my closest mates for an occasion. And the scenery is beautiful, the experience is great, the people are great. It's been organised fabulous. How could you not like this scenery?
The whole point of riding is to get into a state of not thinking, right? A state of just being, right? You know, in Bhutan, they're talking about mindfulness, right? And throughout Buddhism in general, mindfulness as well as the rest of the world. I come from the United States, which is a culture of worry, of anxiety, right? And so getting out of a state of overthinking is difficult to do.
Your good name?
Huh?
Your good name? Your good name?
My name?
Yes.
Andreas. It's a completely different type of travel. First of all, you're limiting yourself with the equipment that you can take with you, but it's an immediacy that you don't get in any other form. In a car, it's different. You're sheltered from the environment. On a motorcycle, it's much more immediate. You get the smells, you get a feel for the heat. There's a less of a comfort, but there's also more of the purity. Riding around with my mates means makes you proud and connection with your mates because you're all in one. And it's soothing and calming when you're all together riding around.
And getting on a motorcycle and riding is getting into a state of not thinking, reacting, just being in the moment. And that's hard to find in other things.
It's the independence, it's the experience of speed to a degree, obviously safely, but going into corners, out of corners, it's a completely different travel.
You know, I will need you.
Never let me go, eh?
My one shot.
And then you can go.
This also nice.
It gets unfoldable on
That's more
I don't know if you all have heard of the black-necked cranes. They're a species of birds that are endangered. So they usually live in the Tibetan plateau during the summer. And during the winter, they migrate here and other parts of eastern Bhutan and in the highlands.
They're called birds of heaven. The number of the cranes increases every year.
It's all glass.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I chose Bhutan because it was a Himalayan country I'd never been to before, and it looked very beautiful. But I'd heard that the people were very friendly and that they were proud of being hosts and were some of the best hosts in the world. That's what I've heard, and that has proven to be true since I've gotten here. And it's been some of the most beautiful countryside that I've seen, including other areas in the Himalayas like Ladakh or Shimla, Manali. It's a very beautiful country.
It's a TW Olympic.
Good job, Scotty. Well done, Scotty.
小车停不进去，很好，去听到啊。
We went into places that no other persons have been before, except the people from Bhutan. And we went in and met the people and got offered into their homes and had a look at how really they live and how they actually function, how they feed themselves, how they develop as a society, and really cool. Like this would be in my top 10 experiences of my life of 60 years. So really cool.
The culture is something that really probably affected me more than other cultures I've been in. I've been, South America and other places, but the vibe and the peacefulness of like the monks and being in the monasteries and just the general kindness, really infectious, Just like bad attitudes can affect people, like being in Bhutan is like a good attitude affecting you in a way, right? It's very contagious and infectious to like be in this environment with everybody, and I don't know who can be here and like leave unhappy.
It's the beauty that I would like to keep and the sort of relaxedness about it all. There is no feeling of being rushed, even in traffic in cities or towns. Everything is a steady flow. That would be nice to take home. Home is sometimes quite hectic and overwhelming, and here it's more of a steady flow.
Room cooling. I could just get the room cooling out. Come on. I am going to represent the country, Bhutan, in the official dress of the Bhutan people.
I feel Bhutanese. Thank you, Dave.
It's very comfy.
I look like Bhutanese.
You should have a big fat cigar in there.
I used to smoke cigars for a long time.
That's exactly whiskey.
Right?
Work it, girl.
Work it. Come on, Boo.
Wow.
Hey, how you going, buddy?
Looks like a donut. It's a big round thing.
I see.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, first thing though is I've traveled quite a bit. I've done motorcycle rides through, you know, India, Ladakh, Argentina, Peru, Guatemala, Belize, and I will say that this has been one of the best places I've been in regards to both riding, but also people, quite frankly. You know, when you talk with people, there's a kindness and there's a feeling of acceptance.
People's outlook on life is so much better than back home.
I will say, you know, there's what's different about like two-wheeled expeditions, at least this run for me, has been the fact that like it's more grounded in the culture.
I think I will incorporate more mindfulness. That's something that has been really brought up with Kinley. And with our day-to-day rides, just kind of forgetting about yesterday and focusing on here and being present for today and not worrying about tomorrow.
It's changed me, like the way I look at things. I've found that it just makes sense.
Just enjoy the life that we have and look at the positives, because it's a beautiful world that we have.
I've learned to, I guess, be able to get around just with each other as a society. I guess I've learned that, yeah, just you and your friends and your people and your family are very important.
It's out of this world. It's more than I expected and hoped for it to be. It beats that. It's the sights, the people. It's just completely new experience.
There's plenty that I'll take back home from Bhutan, and the people that I've been spending the time with, which is just nothing's forever, and you just got to live the present and enjoy it.
Bloody Victorian.
Hey!